everyone, I'm here to discuss the procedures in black and white film processing, tank method. The first step is pull out the film in the camera. 2. This next step is you need to do this in the dark room to not expose the film. And then open the film using the film opener, and after you get the film, cut the end part of the film. Next is you get the reel and insert the film to the reel. And now put the inner core into the reel, and you can now put into the tank and put the lid on. After this, you can now turn on the lights and develop the film. Number 7. And then mix one part of marathon film developer to one part of warm water in the container. Next step is you need to measure the temperature of the mixture to determine the time needed to the film. After you measure the time needed, and now set the proper timer for the film. And then put the film developer solution into the tank, and then start the timer now and agitate the tank for several times. And the next procedure is pour out the film developer from the tank. And second to the stop bath, put the LED on and then agitate in 30 seconds. The stop bath is a little mine acid that immediately stops the action of the developer. So we can stop the action of the developer now. After this process, you pour out the stop bath. And now we are ready to go to the fixed bath. Fill the tank in the fixed bath, and for us Arista film is 3 minutes, and for the T-Max is 5 minutes. And then put the LED on, agitate it for 30 seconds like we did before, and then put it down and wait 3 to 5 minutes. Next is number 16. Next step is pour out the fixed bath and then remove the reel for the tank and wash the film with water to remove the excess chemicals. Number 17. And then just put into film washer and wash it for 10 minutes. And now after 10 minutes, take the film and put into the photo float. And this is a wetting agent that helps the film dry and to make the film no tracks or watermarks. And then sit in for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, now get the film and break the reel to get the film out and remove the excess liquid. After you remove the excess from the film, hang the film in the dryer to dry the film and heat it for 20 minutes. Once the film is dry, wipe the film with a little bit of cleaner. Wipe it down for a few minutes. And now that the film is clean, you can now cut the film and fit it into the plastic page. Tray method. So the first step is you will prepare 3 trays for the chemicals and add the solutions to their respective trays. It also better when you use different colors to easily distinguish the chemicals. And now choose your negative you want to develop. Place the negative into negative carrier. Use a paper brush to remove any dust. And then slide the carrier into the enlarger and turn on the safety lights and turn off the main light. After that, focus your image. Next step, put your photographic paper to project the image into your photographic paper and frame your image into the right size you want. 8. You can use focus finder for optimal sharpness. And then once your photographic paper has been exposed, take your sheet into the trace of chemical to develop your image. And now, slide it quickly and smoothly into the developer for 1 minute and watch your image appear. Lift the image out and slide it into the stop bar for 1 minute. After a minute, lift the image and put in the picture for also 1 minute. After the picture process, water rinse the image for at least 5 minutes. After this process, lift your image and hang it to the drying racks as the final process, and you got your image now. Thank you.